Hello, Teacher Jessica here, and I wanted to take a moment to talk about quick and easy backgrounds. So, if you were like me in the beginning, I was putting up different things, trying out different things to make my background. I did find that putting up a map and getting as close as possible to my face while giving a lot of room for my arm movements was working out great. But then I wanted to change it up. I wanted something fun or festive. So I did go to my local dollar store and I found that they sell rolls of wrapping paper. They have different designs, different colors. I like it because there's no glare on the wrapping paper. It's very simple, it's very easy. What I did is I taped not only all four of the corners, but I also taped the sides because they tend to roll. I did find at Target. This is dry erase tape. They have different colors. I chose this color because it did match the background that I currently have up. I love it because I can quickly change from one student to the next, writing welcome, the next student, but I also can use it as a quick reference. I could use it as ABCs or draw a picture. I can use it as a reward system, maybe play tic-tac-toe, and so on. I only have three um, lines, but I can make it as much as I want. This is an easy way to put up a background. You can add apples, you can add whatever you want. You can add anything. I like that I can take this down, fold it up, save it, reuse it, wrap a present, and go to a different type of design, maybe to cater to the Chinese New Year that's coming up, or even Valentine's Day. I like that it's easy, it's quick, and simple. I wanted to share this with you. I hope this is helpful for you. Happy teaching!